Skillsonic is a Swiss skill training organization, and we spearhead building core manufacturing competency in the workforce and in fresh joining youth who are moving into the manufacturing sector.
Installed capacity in India has grown by about 10 times to 32 gigawatts over the past 5 years, and the government hopes to triple this figure in the coming years. The country is setting ambitious targets, notably to ensure the production of 450 gigawatts of wind and solar power by 2030. From all indications, India will be able to fulfill the task.